Parents, have you ever wondered why some children confidently explore the world while others cling to their parents or shy away from affection? The secret lies in something called attachment styles. Whether your child is secured, avoidant, anxious, or disorganized, understanding these styles can transform your parenting journey and strengthen your bond. Stick around because in this video we'll uncover the signs of each attachment type and reveal powerful tips to support your child's emotional growth. If you're visiting for the first time, I'm Dr. Taniesha Burke, your positive parenting coach, and welcome to our channel. Are you a subscriber? If you're not, we encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be alerted of our upcoming videos. As a positive parenting coach, I believe that understanding your child's attachment style is crucial in fostering a nurturing and supportive environment. Attachment refers to the emotional bond that develops between a child and their primary caregiver. This bond plays a significant role in your child's emotional, social, and cognitive development. There are 4 primary forms of attachment: secured, avoidant, ambivalent, also known as anxious, and disorganized. Each has distinct characteristics and requires different approaches to support and nurture the child effectively. We're now going to look at the 4 forms of attachment, and I would encourage you to pause the video right now and grab a pen and paper to make some notes. And while you're making the notes, evaluate your relationship with your child and your child's behavior so that you can have an idea of which of the form of attachment is more likely related to your child's interaction with you. The first attachment style is secured attachment, and it is characterized when children are securely attached. They feel confident that their caregiver will meet their needs. They show distress when the caregiver leaves, but are quickly comforted upon their return. They use the caregiver as a secure base from which to explore their environment. Children who are attached are usually happy, social, and able to regulate their emotions. They seek comfort from their caregivers when upset and are easily soothed. The second attachment style is avoidant attachment. Children with avoidant attachment tend to avoid or ignore the caregiver, showing little emotion when the caregiver departs or returns. They have learned to be self-reliant due to the caregivers who may be emotionally unavailable or unresponsive. These children may appear to be independent, self-sufficient, and avoid seeking comfort or help from others. They often have difficulty forming close relationships. The third attachment style is ambivalent attachment, or also anxious. These children are often clingy and dependent, but also resist the caregiver's attempt to soothe them. They are often anxious and uncertain about the caregiver's availability and responsiveness. They may display extreme separation anxiety, become overly dependent on the caregiver, and struggle with self-soothing. They may also exhibit anger or resistance upon the caregiver's return. The fourth and final attachment style is disorganized attachment. This attachment style is often seen in children who have experienced trauma or inconsistent caregiving. These children exhibit a lack of clear attachment behavior, often displaying a mix of avoidant and ambivalent behaviors. They may seem confused or apprehensive around the caregiver, display erratic behavior, and have difficulty managing emotions. They may also show signs of anxiety, depression, or aggression. Now that you understand the 4 attachment styles, we're going to switch gears and we're going to look at how we can support our children, specifically those who might have the 3 challenging attachment styles: avoidant, ambivalent, or disorganized. And parents, if your children have any of these attachment styles, I don't want you to feel defeated. There is still hope. Their brain is very malleable, and once we change our interactions with them, we can move away from any of the 3 attachment styles to secured attachment style in our children. Let's look at avoidant attachment. One of the ways to support your child is to create a safe and trusting environment. Show your child that you are reliable and consistently available. Respond to their needs with warmth and sensitivity, even if they don't seek comfort directly. The second way you can support an avoidant child is to encourage emotional expression. Help your child recognize and verbalize their emotions. Use open-ended questions and active listening to show that their feelings are valid and important. You might also support your child via gradual engagement. Gently encourage physical closeness and affection without forcing it. Respect their need for independence while gradually building a more connected relationship. For the ambivalent or anxious child, consistency is key. Reassure your child of your presence and availability. Be responsive to their needs and provide comfort and reassurance consistently. Parents, establishing routine is extremely critical. Create predictable routines to provide a sense of security and stability. This can help reduce their anxiety about your reliability. It is also important that you foster or encourage independence. While providing reassurance, gently encourage your child to explore and engage in activities independently to build their confidence and reduce clinginess. Now let's look at how we support a child who has disorganized attachment. The first thing we recommend is to seek professional help. Children with disorganized attachment often benefit from professional therapy to address underlying trauma or inconsistencies in caregiving. A therapist can provide tailored strategies to help the child and the family. It's also important that we create a safe environment. Ensure that your home is safe, stable, and nurturing, and be consistent in your responses and create a predictable routine. It's also important to build trust gradually. Establish trust by being consistently caring and responsive. Be patient and understanding, as these children may have difficulty trusting caregivers. Understanding your child's attachment style is the first step in providing the support they need to thrive. By creating a secured, loving, and responsive environment, you can help your child develop healthier attachment patterns and foster their emotional well-being. Remember, it's never too late to strengthen your bond with your child and support their development in a positive and nurturing way. We hope that you now have a better understanding of the 4 attachment styles, and most importantly, you feel empowered to make the necessary changes in case your children are struggling with avoidant, anxious, or disorganized attachment. We would love to hear from you. Do leave your comments in the comment section. If you know friends or family who may benefit from this video, we encourage you to share it with them. Thank you so much for joining us, and goodbye for now.